Today we're going to be word detectives. We're going to read a few sentences and find the mistakes. And together we're going to correct the mistake or mistakes. Here's the first sentence. Take a moment to read the sentence and try to find the mistakes. Are you ready? Let's read the sentence together. I like to play with my friends at the park. I like to play with my friends at the park. How many mistakes do you see in this sentence? I see 4. How many do you see? Okay. Let's try to correct the sentence now. The first word, I. That's like your eye on your face, the eyes that you use to see. But we don't need that eye. We need the pronoun I. So we can erase this word and now write the pronoun I like to. Is that the correct to? Remember we did videos on to and to. T-O, T-W-O, and T-O-O. I like to. Well, that's not the correct to. Remember we use T-O when we're using it before verb, the verb play. I like to play, to do something. I like to play, okay, with my friends. Is that word spelled correctly? Friends. How do we spell friends? F-R-I-E-N-D-S. So it's missing an I. So we can spell it over. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. I like to play with my friends at the, that's right, park. But remember, the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with some type of punctuation. There's the punctuation mark. What should we put? Very good. A period. Now, the sentence is perfectly correct. Let's read it again together. I like to play with my friends at a park. Great job. Here's sentence number 2. Read it to yourself first. Let's read it together. Me went to the store and buy an apple. Is that correct? No. How many mistakes do you see? I see 4. How many do you see? Okay, let's correct. Me went? No. Wrong pronoun. We should put, very good. I went to the store and buyed? No, not and buyed. And what? What did we do? Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Good. I went to the store and bought an apple. Well, apple is a vowel sound, short vowel, and you have to put the word and in front of the vowel sound. I went to the store and bought an apple. Good. And there's something missing. What's missing? Punctuation mark. All sentences begin with a capital letter and end with some type of punctuation mark. And in this case, there should be a period. Make that better. Good job. Now it's correct. Let's read the sentence again. I went to the store and bought an apple. Great job. Here is sentence number 3. Read it to yourself. Now let's read it together. She don't has any crayons in her book bag. Is that correct? No, it isn't. How many mistakes do you see? I see 3. How many do you see? Okay, let's now correct the errors. She don't has, no, she doesn't. She doesn't has, no, she doesn't have. Very good. She doesn't have any crayons in her book bag. Now, book bag is spelled correctly. It's a compound word, but it's not open. It's a closed compound. So you write book, bag, closed. No space. Okay? It's a closed compound word. So now let's read the sentence together now that it's corrected. She doesn't have any crayons in her book bag. Great job. And boys and girls, here's the last sentence. And it doesn't need any corrections because you are very smart. And I used an exclamation point because I'm excited as to how smart you are. So this concludes our lesson today. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. And tell all of your friends it's time to think bigger, earlier. Bye-bye.